Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech Vibe channel. If your VIZIO TV turns on and then shuts off immediately, don't panic. This is a very common issue that can be fixed easily at home. In today's video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your TV running smoothly again. Make sure to watch till the end, because the final step often solves it for most users. Step 1. Check the power source. Before diving deeper, let's start simple. Unplug your TV and check the power outlet using another device, like a lamp or phone charger, to confirm it's delivering power. Inspect your power cable for cuts or frayed ends. If it's loose or damaged, the TV might turn off automatically for safety reasons. Also, avoid plugging into surge protectors during testing. Connect directly to the wall socket. Step 2. Power cycle your TV. Next, perform a power cycle. This clears any temporary power glitches. Here's how. Unplug your VIZIO TV from the wall. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait 1 full minute. Then plug the TV back in and power it on. This helps discharge residual electricity and can stop the on-off loop. Step 3. Check remote control and external devices. Sometimes, your remote or connected devices might be sending conflicting signals. Remove batteries from your remote and try turning on the TV manually. Also, disconnect all HDMI devices, like gaming consoles, Fire Stick, or Blu-ray players. A faulty HDMI device or cable can trigger the auto-off behavior. Reconnect them one by one to find the culprit. Step 4. Factory reset your VIZIO TV. If the issue still persists, it's time for a factory reset. Here's how to do it without the screen. Locate the reset button or pinhole on the back of your VIZIO TV. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for 15 seconds while the TV is plugged in. Release and wait. The TV should restart. This clears corrupted settings that might be causing the restart issue. Step 5. Update TV firmware. Sometimes your VIZIO TV turns off immediately due to software glitches or outdated firmware. If your TV stays on long enough, quickly navigate to the settings menu. Go to Menu System, check for updates. If an update is available, select Install Now. Let the process complete without turning off your TV. Firmware updates often fix power-related bugs and improve system stability. If your TV doesn't stay on long enough to reach the menu, connect it to the internet first, turn it on, and leave it idle. VIZIO TVs can automatically download and apply pending updates in the background. And that's it. One of these steps should get your VIZIO TV back to normal. If your TV still turns off immediately, it could be a power board issue, and you may need professional repair. If this guide helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more VIZIO troubleshooting tips every week.